Listen closely, because what I'm about to share with you, the power to change your entire life if you act now. I want you to fix your sleep, or more specifically, fix your nights and your mornings. There's a reason why we always emphasize the importance of having a good night's sleep in every single video. And it's because sleep is where your day starts. Everything that happens after midnight affects you in ways that you wouldn't even believe. So here are 5 reasons to fix your sleep and 5 things that will happen to your life when you do. Number 1. Sleep is the foundation of discipline. If you can't control when you sleep and wake up, you can't control your life. Yes, this may sound dramatic, but let me ask you this. Does going to bed early make you more productive? Does waking up early make you less productive? Of course not. Going to bed early makes you more productive, and waking up early makes you more productive. This is how your days are made. True self-discipline begins with mastering your nights and mornings. Number 2. Optimized sleep equals optimized focus. Think about the last time you had a full night's rest. How did you feel the next day? Chances are you felt more focused, more energized, and more determined to tackle whatever challenges came your way. Now consider the times when you didn't get enough sleep. You probably felt sluggish, unmotivated, and just couldn't seem to get into a productive headspace. That's the power of sleep on your focus. When you optimize your sleep, your focus becomes razor sharp. Procrastination fades away, and your productivity skyrockets. Number 3. Energy is your superpower. Listen, without energy, your mindset and success both collapse. They fall like a house of cards. It doesn't matter how much potential you have, how gifted you are, or how talented you believe yourself to be. Without energy, none of it matters. The secret to unlocking limitless energy lies in the quantity and quality of your sleep. When you prioritize sleep, you're essentially telling your body, hey, recharge those batteries fully. And when your battery is fully charged, you can perform at your peak. Number 4. Sleep builds self-respect. Here's something to think about. Do you value your time? Do you respect your schedule? If you consistently choose to stay up late or sleep in, even though you know you should be resting, you might be sending a message to your brain that your time isn't valuable. But when you choose to go to bed and wake up on time, you're telling your brain that you respect your schedule and yourself. Every night you honor your schedule, you're strengthening your self-discipline and mindset. And number 5, 2026 is your deadline. We're in the year 2025 right now. So listen, I know this might sound alarming, but hear me out. You still have 4 months to turn things around before 2026 rolls around. But why 2026? Well, by 2026, if you start fixing your sleep today, your focus, energy, and discipline will be reset. Your brain will be functioning at its best, allowing you to perform at your peak. Imagine what you could accomplish if your brain was operating at full capacity. More importantly, your mind will be free from distractions, doubts, and the constant chatter that holds so many people back. This clarity alone can be a game changer in any pursuit. Now let's talk about energy. You'll have boundless energy to take on each day with enthusiasm and vigor. No more feeling drained, sluggish, or burnt out. Your physical vitality will mirror your mental sharpness, making every endeavor you undertake that much more effective. Discipline will become your second nature. You won't just have self-control. You'll have a rock-solid foundation of self-discipline. It'll be easier to stick to your goals, resist temptations, and stay committed to your path regardless of the obstacles in your way. And here's the beautiful part. These benefits are just the tip of the iceberg. By fixing your sleep, you'll unlock a cascade of positive effects that ripple into every facet of your life. Your relationships will deepen, your creativity will soar, and your overall well-being will flourish. In today's world, we often glamorize hustle culture, staying up late working, sacrificing sleep for that extra bit of productivity. But let me tell you, there's a price to be paid for every all-nighter, for every moment we rob from our sleep. It's a debt that our bodies and minds eventually demand repayment for. You see, when you sacrifice sleep, you're not just losing hours of your day. You're compromising on the very essence of your vitality. Each night you stay up late, your body accumulates a form of fatigue that goes beyond what meets the eye. It's not just about feeling tired. You're chipping away at your mental and physical reserves. And let's not forget the impact on your appearance. A good night's sleep is like a natural beauty secret. When you're well rested, your skin glows, your eyes sparkle, and you exude a vitality that's hard to ignore. On the other hand, when sleep deprivation takes hold, it's reflected in your appearance. Dark eye circles, dull skin, and a general lack of radiance become your new norm. But perhaps the most insidious cost of sleep deprivation is the toll it takes on your cognitive abilities. Sleep plays a crucial role in memory consolidation, learning, and cognitive performance. By robbing yourself of sleep, you're essentially impairing your ability to function at your best. It's like trying to operate a computer with a low battery. Your focus, concentration, and decision-making skills all suffer. And then there's the risk to your health. Chronic sleep deprivation is associated with a host of health issues, from cardiovascular disease and diabetes to weakened immunity and even certain cancers. It's not worth the risk. So what's the solution? Prioritize your sleep. Treat it as the precious resource it is. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. And ensure your sleep environment is conducive to rest. Invest in blackout curtains, comfortable bedding, and a supportive mattress. Consider using apps that monitor your sleep patterns and provide insights into your sleep quality. And don't hesitate to seek professional help if you suspect you might have a sleep disorder. Remember, fixing your sleep is not a quick fix. It's a commitment to a better, healthier you. But the payoff is immeasurable. You'll be amazed at how a good night's sleep can transform your entire outlook on life. Look, you've already come this far in the video. Don't waste it by not tapping that subscribe button. Come on, tap it. Look, I know you want to improve your mindset, become more successful, and achieve the goals you've set for yourself. Well, guess what? We've been through the same struggles, faced the same challenges, and asked ourselves the same questions that you're asking right now. We understand what you're going through because we've been in your shoes. That's why we created a place where we share our experiences, insights, and strategies that have helped us overcome obstacles and achieve success. Our community is filled with like-minded individuals who are on the same journey as you, striving to better themselves and reach their full potential. When you join our community, you're not just getting access to a wealth of knowledge and experience, you're also becoming part of a supportive network of individuals who understand and encourage one another. So what are you waiting for? Join our community today and take the first step towards achieving your goals. We promise you won't regret it.